Middle part left wide open, bust it wide open. Then I tell her, bring it back. Hey Lala Squad, what it do? It's your girl Lala Milan and I'm back with a whole nother video. Today's about to be super cute, fun, and discounted. Why? Because your girl found her a wig on Amazon and I'm so excited to see how it comes out. Before we go any further, I need to go ahead and stop and ask y'all, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you are new. Hello and welcome. We're happy that you're here. If you're returning, welcome back. And also make sure you go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you go ahead and comment. And please make sure you turn on the notification bell because your girl's always posting new content. And I don't ever want it to go in vain. Now, let's hop right into what we came for, the wig. So, I paid $129.99 for this 13x6 lace front wig. What does 13x6 mean? I have no idea, but I figured I should say it because that's what it said on there, right? And the main thing that caught my attention is the fact that it is supposed to be transparent lace. I'm literally taking it out of the package now. I wanted it to be an authentic reveal. And let's see what this texture is feeling like. 1 second. Get off of me. Sorry. Girl, like, wait. Anyways, it feels good. I'm not gonna lie, it feels super soft. According to the white paper up under here, okay? It does look transparent. I'll give y'all that. Hey. And look, if y'all want to go ahead and cop this wig, just know I'm putting a link down below so you can go ahead and get yours. Here's what we're looking like on the inside. They got some clips, okay? A little bit of clips right there, a little bit of clips. Clips everywhere. And, yeah, so it is a whole frontal, which is cute. And that means I could part it anywhere, but if you know anything about your girl, the middle part is safe for me. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this wig. Okay, so before we go any further, I need to go ahead and curl this hair up because I want to make sure it's styled and I ain't got to have no issues with it when I actually put it on my head. Okay, so I'm finishing up the curls. As you can see, they look super cute or whatever. After I finish this part, we're going to go ahead and get ready for the install because, of course, that's what we came for. But I just want to show y'all piece by piece that your girl actually be styling. Thank you. Okay, y'all, so I'm going to be hopping in and out with some voiceovers here and there. On this part, I'm basically bringing the baby hair forward. I love the fact that this wig got some baby hair because, honey, I don't. So, yes, anyways, I'm molding down the rest of the hair because I do want to make a partition place. Yes, so it could be smooth and I could have some give in the front. You know what I'm saying? To me, that makes it look a whole lot more natural. And you know that everything you do on one side needs to be completed on the other. Now, anyways, here's the part where we are cutting the net. Child, cut that net as close to the edges as possible without cutting the edges. Okay, sister girl? Because guess what? This is going to help with your application. And yes, we want to make sure that all net is gone. This ain't basketball, sweetie. All set. Okay, so now we could go ahead and actually apply the wig. Me personally, I like to have a brown stocking cap. Why? Because y'all be doing all them tricks and stuff to make the concealer match your foundation and all that extra stuff. I ain't got the time to take chances. But before I actually put on my cap, I go ahead and put some edge control along my edges. Why? So I could get my edges in control, right? So the goal of wearing a wig is to maintain and conserve my hair. Now, let's be clear. These braids is a little ragged. It's been a little minute. Don't even trip. After this video, I'm going to go ahead and shampoo it and get somebody to come braid me up. But until then, pretend like these are just fresh, okay? Because guess what? That's what all the braids be looking like up under the wigs anyway. Surprise. Yeah. I'm putting the business out there. Don't try to come for me. Then, go ahead and put the cap on. Yes. I tuck everything in like that. And then I go ahead and spray it down. You already know I'm using that got to be spray because it got to be secure. Let me go ahead and cut my ears out. I'm going to just say a little something right here because it's so quiet. Hello? Yeah, I can hear you. Blow dry it, honey, until it's dry. Yes, indeed. Got to make that thing crisp. Now, go ahead and cut the excess net. So that way we could take this big chunk part off. And it actually look flat. Now, that is what we're trying to achieve here. Flatness. Okay, so it ain't perfect, but guess what? It's going to get the job done. And here's a trick that I do. A lot of times when I go to lay my cap, honey, it does not stick at the ends, and I hate it. So what I do is I go ahead and leave just a little bit and put a little dab of glue. There is no hair right there, so I'm not going to have to worry about it coming out later. And then I just go ahead and put the cap right on it and hold it in place just so I could take that. And then I cut the excess piece off of there. So that way I ain't got to worry about the cap sticking from underneath my lace. Okay, cute. Some people like to sew theirs down. Normally I would, but today I don't feel like it because this is just for y'all. Okay, so now that we got the foundation laid, it's time to go ahead and get this tape laid too. Okay, so I got these tapes off of Amazon as well. Amazon low-key got everything. Hell, y'all might want to start looking on there for y'all niggas. Anyways, so you go ahead, they come in two, and what I do is just simply break it up. I go ahead and lay mine actually partially on the cap and partially on my head, right? So I do all around my edges, but I play it safe. Like I said, hardly any hair exposed because you don't want anything to come out. A lot of people be forgetting the importance of not putting glue and tape directly onto your scalp. I can't stress that enough, okay? So go ahead and put that down. And mind you, the strips are so slim that I like to apply two around there. Okay, cool. It came up. Okay, so that's how the tape should be looking right there. Then lay another piece directly on top of it, touching just enough to where the two connect. And a piece is on your skin along with being on the cap. So that way it can connect the two flawlessly. Okay, darling? Ooh, just like that. Okay. Go ahead and push it down. Apply a little pressure. And then bring it on up like that. So, as you can see, you got the tape on the cap. It's a smooth transition. That's exactly what you want, because when you go to lay it down, you need it to be sharp, baby. Cats get sharp. Gosh. And then you go ahead and do the same exact thing on the other side. Boom. I feel like whenever you actually have the part directly over the tape, it gives it a little bit of shine. I don't want that. So I apply half and half pieces right here and leave this part open so that way it can look natural. One strip and I'm cutting it in half. Okay. Middle part left wide open, bust it wide open. Then I tell her bring it back. Just so y'all know, I tried the wig on before I actually did all this extra stuff. I'm going to go ahead and cut the pieces from the back. Because like I said, I don't do no hang time like that. Leave it up to Lil Bow Wow from back in the day. Okay. Then go ahead and put on the wig. Okay, so before I actually lay the wig down, I do put a tiny, tiny dot of lace front glue up here in the middle. And I go ahead and smear it down. You find the center. And you go ahead and press it down. So along the way, you may find that there's some places that has open areas that didn't catch on to the tape. That's perfectly fine. Just take a little bit of glue, spread it out, and till it's clear, of course. Make sure you ain't getting no white. And then just press down on the lace with the end of your comb. We're going to get this flawless finish by any means necessary. Do you understand? So the wig is perfect now, but I want to go ahead and do it like New Boys and tie it down. A little old school reference. Anyways, I'm tying it down to make sure that it melts into my freaking scalp all the way. Because when you apply pressure, what do you get, honey? Diamonds. Exactly. And I want this lace front to shine bright like a diamond. Okay, you see it face beat here on Fleek. Wait, I just want to let you know, since the creation of this video, I also did this hairstyle with the wig, and baby, 5-star, 5-star, 5-star. Y'all already knew what time it was. I had to go ahead and take a little break so I could come back and get it all the way right. But here you go, perfection. Yes, $160 on Amazon, and I'm never paying $1,000 again. So if you haven't done so already, please make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Go ahead and comment. Go ahead and subscribe. And also turn on the notification bell, honey. I'm so happy it came out beautifully. Let me know what else y'all want to see, honey, because your girl's about to start doing more and more and more and more and more installs and all that extra stuff. It's your girl, Lala Milan. Thank you for watching as usual. I love y'all for real. And until next time, bye.